So what is the namespace required now? So as I said just now, that system.io is the namespace which will contain APIs of streams, all the classes, abstract classes, right? Interfaces, everything that which we need for IO streams will be available in this system.io namespace. Okay, that is one part. Second part is second part is we'll see now how do you input data. So one approach is like this. I'll take one variable ch of integer type and I say system dot in dot sorry console dot in dot read. Console is class, in is object, read is method. Whose method? Fine. I'll show you one architecture connecting with this hierarchy. And what do you learn in this hierarchy? Console class has write line, read key, read. These are all methods plus console class has two objects. Out, in, two objects. Right? And here on the other end, system.io namespace contains text reader, text writer. Text reader is abstract class, text writer is abstract class. Text reader contains read block, read line, read to end. Text writer contains write and write line. So finally I come to a conclusion that we have two write line methods, two read line methods. Two. One is available in console class, one is available in text reader class. Whichever are available in console class, they all are static. Why static? Because console class, which is built-in class for us, itself is a static class. As you know very well, under static class we studied that static class contains all static members. All static members. So you have all console.writeLine, console.write, console.read, console.read key, console.read line. All are what then? Static methods. Static methods, including what? Out, in as objects. And where are these objects? Part of console class. Whose objects? Text reader, text writer class objects. Who is text reader? Who is text writer? These are abstract classes available in system.io namespace. And you know very well, abstract class instance cannot be created. I said this point. Abstract class instance cannot be created. Highly impossible. We cannot create. Okay, so we cannot create instance of a abstract class. Then what you can do? Only object you can create. Only object. That object is out and in. Right? And another interesting thing is, from these two abstract classes, you have been derived by two normal classes. Okay, stream reader, string reader. From text writer, stream writer, string writer. These are the classes that are derived from two abstract classes. So here, what is the statement I have written just now in the program? Console dot in dot read. Console dot in dot read. What does it indicate? Read is a method which is going to read the data. Read is a method which is going to read the data. From where? From keyword. Why keyword? Because I said console.in.read. Console.in is a standard way of reading from keyboard. Console.write will write something on monitor. Console.error also we write something on monitor. So now I come to a conclusion. Whenever I write console.in, simple analyzation is you're going to Read the data from keyboard. Why you're highlighting here reading data from keyboard? Because in C sharp, there are different ways of reading. One reading is from keyboard, one reading is from file, one reading is from buffer, one reading is from object. Different approaches we have. For that reason, I said that reading from where? Keyboard. So how do you read now? That is what I was saying. Console.in.read by default reads from where? Keyboard. What it will read from keyboard? One character. Just say console.writeLine ch. Only ch will display ASCII code. So go for typecasting. Now run the code. Control F5. Now see, if I input one character, the same character will come in the output. That's it. But where from you're reading is important. We are reading from keyboard. Once this code executes, I'll explain what next part to be done in it. However, we don't use files in real time because that doesn't provide security for your data. To understand ADO.NET, we have come up with this. To come up with ADO.NET. To understand ADO.NET, we have come up with it. Okay. So substitute to this is what now? ADO.NET. Fine. Input data now? A. Output is A. If I input multiple characters, like I say, for example, Sharif, then also it will display only one character. Yes, S. It creates a buffer for multiple characters, but and stores those characters in buffer, and from that buffer it will read only one character. S it reads ends. Ends. There is no continuation of character. If you want to read complete word Sharif, then you're supposed to write while loop, while true, block open, close, console.write. Okay, run the code again. Control 5. Now I hit enter. All characters it will do. Complete. Complete. Whatever you input. I say welcome to world of computer. Complete as it is. Yes. But you want to end, na? Control C. Terminate. Control C. If you want to terminate automatically, then you write a condition. If ch is equal to q, q for us is quit, okay? Ch is equal to q, break. Control F5. Now input. Same thing. C sharp is case sensitive. Wantedly in between, I'll give Q I V E sensitive. In between, I type the Q. Exactly wherever Q, there it will stop. Yes, it stops. Press any key to continue is in continuation. I want it in new line actually. So I'll do one thing. After while loop, I'll create one blank line. Okay, now try once again. So that press any key to continue will come in new line. That's it. There is no other point in it. So I say computer is electronic device. In between, I inserted Q. Thus, Q has come, there it will terminate automatically. Read will read one character, compares with if condition, prints. Read second character, like that. When till it come across with your Q, it will continue that. Till like right? Now again, I'll run the code. Now, but if you want Q in the data, definitely you cannot, because when Q comes, it will terminate. When Q comes, it will terminate. So obviously there is no end. So if you want to have Q, then do one thing. Don't put Q now. Instead, you write -1. -1 always represents end of stream. What is the meaning of end of stream? Okay, let's see now that. Control F5. Input. Computer is electronic device. It's working. Q is a part of your data now. It will not end your stream now. Okay, in between you give wantedly, you give -1, you give now. For example, if I say Ahmad Sharif -1, something called Hyderabad, even -1 will be stored now. Then what is the meaning of -1? Because this is not treated as -1. This is treated as -1. Hyphen becomes one character, one becomes another character. Then what is the representation of -1? -1 means Control Z. Enter. Yes, ended the stream. -1. -1 is representation of what? End of stream. When you input data, -1 means Control Z. That is what the meaning is. CH equal to minus. Okay, exactly same way. Now we will see how to read characters into array now. So character array CH equal to new character 10 characters array. First you have to say for I equal to 0, I less than CH dot length I plus plus. CH of I is equal to console dot in dot read. Yes, console dot in dot read. Acha, we'll do one thing. Not like this. We'll directly read instead of going in this. Better. I'll write like this. Uh, console dot in dot read ch. You're reading data to buffer, array buffer. Ch. From where? 0. How many characters? Ch dot length. 10 characters. So now remember, read can read one character, or read can read array of characters. Remember that difference, please. So read is now overloaded method. Read. First example, when I have shown you read method, there were no parameters in it. In the current read method, there are 3 parameters in it. One array, one index, and one count. 3 parameters. Okay. Now what you do is, I say for int I equal to 0, I less than ch dot length I plus plus, console dot write line. Now I say like this, double quotes ch plus I plus contains dot 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 plus ch of I. That's it. Now control it. Now you created a buffer of array 10 characters. Input data now. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 10. Yes. 10 characters. A to J. Second time. Now I want to see that of ASCII code, typecast, integer, ASCII code. No, you won't get ABCD. You'll get 97, 98, 99, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. 97, 98, 99, 100, 106. Acha, do one thing again. Control F5. Input only 5 now. A, B, C, D, E. 5 only you get. 5, 5. Okay? Okay, I'll show you one more thing before it. Even we'll see how many inputs you give. Number of inputs plus n plus n. What is n? You write here. Integer n equal to, yes. Last may you'll get number of inputs. Try. First here I'll show you. This you put on top. Here. First it will give you number of inputs and what inputs, then it will display. Okay, run. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Number of inputs are 10 and 10 characters. In ASCII codes you have displayed. Okay, try again. A, B, C, D, E. How many inputs now? 5. After 5, after E, what you're doing? You're going to press enter. Remember, only key on the keyboard you can say. Only key on the keyboard which will accept 2 characters, and that is your enter key. It means whenever you press enter key, it will allocate memory of 2 bytes for enter key. 5 characters I gave. Now I press enter. 5 enter key 2 characters. 5 plus 2. The moment I press enter, you can find number of inputs 7. 7. 5 your characters, enter 2 characters. And what are those 2 characters? Here it gives ASCII code. Enter key works with the support of 13, 10. 13 is slash R, 10 is slash F. R means carriage return, F means form field. That is read will work. If I say read block, another method. Read block instead of read. Same program as it is, only method change. Control F5. This makes a difference between read block and read. A, B, C, enter. Yes. How many inputs you gave here? 5. D, E, F, enter. Already above 2 characters are enter. Bottom, second line, again I press enter after F. 2 characters. 5 plus 5, 10. Over you get. 2 times you press enter key. Here 2 times you can find ASCII code. 1310. Here also 1310. 2 times. That is what read block. Read line, same. From the beginning, whatever we studied, the same thing. No changes for read. Now what exactly I need is, I want to, uh, store the data into a file now. File. Means run after executing the program, I'll put some content. That content you want to store into file. How? For that you have to use a class. File stream class it is. Because you said no, you want to store stream of text into file. So file stream. Fs equal to new file stream. And what do you want to do? Where you want to put file name? What is the file name? At the rate C colon. I'll give your dash folder. No? That folder I'll give as drive. Hello, Anand. I don't know, some Wi-Fi got disconnected. It's unable to connect now. All it has done, it